so far. Hearts align with the beat, no need to speak. Through this cosmic fire, let the music guide